parliament has happened in the same time, because our parliament was built sometimes in 1920s.
Okay.
And very practical.
Yeah.
Very practical.
So it's always, in a way, it's good to be in a, I'm not doing this job as myself, but there are a lot of people before me and then also afterwards. So it's a nice thing to notice that you are just part of the history, but you have your duties, both for the concerned those who have been in this office earlier and those who are coming.
And it is also a privilege because it's really the house of democracy. So I think the tradition in the parliament shows the commitment
That's
for
true.
what you would like to do. Precisely, I'm having very positive impressions for this first visit of mine to Finland, and I was glad just to have some exchange of views with my colleague, the Minister of Foreign Affairs. My understanding, and I would show real appreciation, is that Finland is definitely a country that is committed to European integration, and that it has been invested quite a lot in helping countries in Southeastern Europe to get also to the European family.